if you are struggling with typing and you have the script but you don't have time for typing the script, then this video is for you. Just go into Google and then click this button and scroll down to find docs. Then once it opens, choose blank document, click there, and then go to tools, and then in tools you will find voice typing. So you can just close this, and in voice typing you can find this. There are many languages available. In whichever language you speak, it will type in that language. So first let's try in English. So you have to click this mic and it will appear red. So whenever it is red, you have to understand that it's recording. You have to allow this. Hi, I am a living being. See, that's how we typed. Now let's do this in Nepali language. We have the option for Nepali language as well. You just have to keep scrolling down. So here is it, Nepali. Again, click on the mic. म एउटा प्राणी हुँ. See, that's how it's done. So, and you can also go for correcting this. See, you can find the suggestion here. So living being, maybe, yeah, I'm living being. You gotta add the full stop sometimes. Yeah, so you can just check the grammar, but mostly it writes correctly. You can write a lot of paragraphs by using this simple technique. So yes, that's how it's done.